my best attempt at an omelet. At least the first one this morning, right now. Medium pan, we just let all the bubbles go away. Pour the eggs in, not too mixed, but pretty properly mixed. And then get stirring. Develop a little curd. Shake it in as you go if you want. Make sure you get all the stuff off the sides. Keep pulling stuff off the sides. Any white, have it all one color yellow, no brown. I need a little more heat there. Let it kind of set up. Starting to get solid there. Stuff off the sides again. I like to use a fork, plastic fork in my non-stick pan, which is dying, so it's kind of sticky. That go for a second. In a real true omelet, you don't really fill it with anything. It starts to become something different at that point. Sorry, fry break. Okay, so we're pretty close here. Still need that back end to cook a little bit better. Quite. Almost. It takes a little while. You don't want too high a heat. And you want to kind of start pumping it forward. And Jacques does this kind of thing that I'm not very good at. And then you can get it roll a little bit. Mine's sticking. Not quite acting like I want it to, but then we bring it over to the plate where we just kind of roll it off, and then we're going to tuck this under so it looks nice and proper. Then we're going to grab a little butter, just rub the butter over the top. Don't need too much. A little bit of salt. Pinch of chives. That is an omelet. Alright, let's cut in and see what we got. There we go. Pretty much the perfect texture. Slightly curdy and custardy still inside. No coloration at all. There's a little teeny tiny, oh, I got an egg shell in there. I was gonna say that's some egg white. That was gonna piss me off. Just shell. Anyway, yeah, nice color. There you go.